Hey everyone, welcome to Happy. It's cold as hell. It's about December 18th or something like that. I'm really excited because I'm eating, these are mine. I'm eating our homegrown kiwis.
Hey, wake
This is the first year that our kiwi, just a single female, they require a male, so there's a male and a female. But just from one female, this is the first crop. We've eaten a few of them. Sorry about that. We had dusting of snow out here on our balcony. This is Maryland, Zone 7. We're just days away from Christmas. And we got homegrown kiwis. How do you know when kiwis are ripe? Well, Maria picked these off of the kiwi vine when they're about rock hard. This is the biggest one remaining, and this is just like one you would get from the store. The smallest one is roughly like this. They're rock hard on the vine, and Maria picked them somewhere around November. Leaves, start turning. It's starting to get cold. I don't know when in November. I think it was kind of early-ish November. Rock hard. They sat in the kitchen for for a month. How do I know this is ripe? It's sort of soft to the touch, a lot like a pawpaw fruit. Okay, you don't want it mushy soft. It can't be hard. It's got to give a little bit when you squeeze it. I'm trying to squeeze it, see if you can see my finger indent. Sorta. Just take off the top with a paring knife. There's the fruit. You get your fruit, took off the top, and just kind of peel it. Maybe like you'd peel an apple if you peel apples. I don't really peel apples. So unlike the hardy, this is a fuzzy kiwi. Unlike the hardy kiwi, you just pop the whole thing in your mouth. It's a lot like a grape. In fact, it's a big grape that tastes, or it looks like a big grape that tastes like a kiwi. Okay, so we just kind of peeled off most of the skin. Get yourself a sliver of fruit. Wow. So kiwi, in December, I'm 9 miles south of the U.S. Capitol. That's homegrown kiwi. Grows like a weed. Just grows like a weed. It doesn't grow as crazily. That's a word. That's a technical word, crazily. It doesn't grow as crazy as the hardy kiwi. The hardy kiwi is like the most aggressive, vigorous growing plant, I think, out here, period, of everything. So you can see how I believe hardy kiwi may be listed as invasive up in like Connecticut or something like that. Maybe I'll put something in the description. This one's a little hard. Let's give it a try. So this was a little firm. So I think what we're learning is once they sit for like a month, they're good to go. That's really interesting. This was a little firm, and it tastes absolutely fantastic. They must have sat for at least 5 weeks from picking, and so even if it's firm, you probably want them eaten up. I'd say, you just can't get them, you can't let them get soft, because then they've gone off. How do I know they're overripe? They'll start like ejecting this sugary, kind of this foam looking stuff. It's really sticky, and I've cracked one of these open. I don't want to get this knife dirty, but but these are kind of, I'm gonna put it so it kind of pop a little bit. I don't know if you heard that. The kiwi fruit is in there, but I think it's overripe. I think it's going to be overripe. It's a little overripe. Wow, tastes like shit. And you know, you just want to be careful not eating something that's going to make you sick too. This is one that's a little overripe. So when you squeeze a kiwi, you see the juices kind of coming out of it. And that's really too bad. That's really a waste. A little disappointed myself. That's my fault for not eating kiwis as they came ripe. The fuzzy kiwi grows quick. It grows quick. It's a beautiful looking plant. The reason these fruited this year is not so much the girl. The girl actually flowered last year, 2019, which was like her second or third year in the ground. She just took off. What happened was the male died, and then I had to get a second one, and then it took it a year to kind of, you know, move along, do something. And then even though it was kind of skimpy and small last year, or this year, 2020, it flowered. The male flowered, and with the male flowering, then the female fruited. Now next year the male is going to be a lot bigger and a lot stronger. The female is going to be bigger and stronger. We're going to build a little something, something, something. So we're looking forward to a lot more fruit. This is from one plant early in its life. These are long-lived vines. I'm going to eat every one that's soft. It's going to be a breakfast. Wow. Sweet, juicy. It's got the classic kiwi flavor. Absolutely no different than store-bought kiwi. Kiwi for Christmas. It'll be a new tradition around here. Hey everyone, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and I hope you and your loved ones are safe and well. Stay strong. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye. Just, there's the fruit. I am so excited, man. I see I need some dental fucking work or something. I have a scary fucking, I got kind of a, like a, what's that fuck on TV? Trump's attorney. I got kind of the fucking fucked up teeth kind of a thing going on. Anyways, after they sat for like 5 weeks after picking. I don't know if you see that. So I'm so excited, dude. These are kiwis from our backyard, man. And look for HARDY Kiwi. I still haven't finished my webpage for the HARDY Kiwi. Anyways, and we're gonna convert a regular residential home to like a semi-off-grid smart house.